Okay, so this is my 2002 Dodge Ram 2500. It's your typical second gen Dodge. Finally trying to get this whole dash situation taken care of, and I had this really bad noise that's been bugging me for a long time, and I finally found it today, so I thought I'd share it with anyone else because it's a weird one. So the sound to me sounded like it was coming from like here. Like you could have sworn it was whatever was behind here or under here, and so I, took all this apart, took everything under here apart, was poking and prodding, trying to find anything I could, couldn't find anything. Redid everything up in here, all the wires and stuff, because it was pretty, from the previous owner who did this job didn't do a very good job. So I redid that. Everything there is nice and tight now. And the noise, it was still the same. So, pretty much a sound like it was right in this area. So you're searching under here, you're searching up here. I took the wipers off and took the cowl off. Couldn't find anything in there. So, I was thinking maybe back in here somehow. Something in here was rattling or something. Finally, got it to do it from coming out here and just rocking the truck back and forth, grabbing the fender right here, rocking back and forth. Realized I didn't even have to really do it much. It was just kind of just a pull and then a push, and a pull and a push, just a pull, push. And so right here where this weld is now, there was like a hairline crack, and that thing was resonating this tapping noise all the way through the whole firewall, through up here. Everybody that was searching through this noise with me could not believe that that's what it was. It was just this little tiny hairline crack right here. So got that thing welded up. I also noticed there was a crack right here as well, so we welded that up, hit it with a quick little shot of paint. But I put this weld on here with not much confidence, thinking it was gonna fix it, but it sure did. It fixed all of it. So to anyone else, look right there. You might just find a crack on your second gen Cummins. Thanks.